Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to Indian history. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams. Now we will see the questions along with the answers.
First question. Basumati, the oldest Bengali diary paper, was edited by options V.D. Savarkar, Barinder Kumar Ghosh, Anand Mohan Bose, Surya Sen. Answer is option 2, Barinder Kumar Ghosh. Next one. At which among the following places All India Muslim League was established in the year 1906? Options Muscat, Dhaka, Naypyidaw, Islamabad. Answer is option 2, Dhaka. Next. During which among the following events Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the epithet of Lokmanya? Options Surat Split, Swadeshi Movement, Home Rule Movement, his imprisonment in 1908. Right answer is option 3, Home Rule Movement. Next. Communal awards to grant separate electorals to minority communities in India, including Muslims, Sikhs and Dalits, was given by options Austin Chamberlain, Ramsay MacDonald, Stanley Baldwin, Winston Churchill. Right answer is option 2, Ramsay MacDonald. Next. Fateh Chand was best known with the title of Jagat Seth by whom? Options Aliwardi Khan, Mir Jafar, Sirajuddaulah, Muhammad Shah. Answer is option 3, Sirajuddaulah. Next. During the independence movement, newspaper Kesari was published by options Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Subhash Chandra Bose. And the right answer is option 2, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next. Which among the following charter acts ended the commercial monopoly of East Indian Company in India? Options are Charter Acts of 1813, Charter Acts of 1793, Charter Acts of 1853, Charter Acts of 1833. Correct answer is option 1, Charter Acts of 1813. Next. Who was the only Indian prince who actively participated in the revolutionary movement within and outside India? Options Raja Aridam Singh, Raja Hari Singh, Raja Mahendra Pratap, Raja Kumar Singh. Right answer is option 3, Raja Mahendra Pratap. Next one. The special Calcutta session 1920 in which Mahatma Gandhi moved the non-cooperation revolution was presided by options Motilal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, B.C. Paul, C.R. Das. Answer is option 2, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next. Who among the following was the first woman president to chair the Indian National Congress at Kanpur session of 1925? Options Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Nilai Sengupta, Annie Besant. Answer is option 1, Sarojini Naidu. Next. The Portuguese built their first fortress in India at options Cochin, Goa, Kannur, Anjidev. Answer is option 1, Cochin. Next. In which among the following countries Battalion Azad Hindustan, a league unit of Indian National Army, was formed during the World War II? Options Singapore, Italy, Germany, Japan. Answer is option 2, Italy. Next. Who was the Nawab of Bengal when the incident of Black Hole took place? Options: Mir Qasim, Aliwardri Khan, Mir Jafar, Sirajud-Dawla. Answer is option 4, Sirajud-Dawla. Next. Who among the following made the following statement? The only lesson required in the India at present is to learn how to die, and the only way to teach is by dying ourselves. Therefore, I die and glory in my martyrdom. Options: Khudiram Bose, Aurobindo Ghosh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Madan Lal Dhingra. Right answer is option 4, Madan Lal Dhingra. Next. Which was the first state to be created on linguistic basis? Options: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra State, Madras. Right answer is option 2, Andhra State. Next. With reference to the Bahadur Shah Jafar, which among the following statements is not true? Options: He was a warrior without any war experience. He was an emperor without empire. He succeeded to the throne in 1845. Hasan Askari was his spiritual guide. And the right answer is option 3. He succeeded to the throne in 1845. Next. Who of the following wrote the first Indian poetic work in English? Options: Krishna Mohan Banerjee, Kasi Prasad Ghosh, Ramchandra Vignyavagish, Hariharanand. Answer is option 2, Kashi Prasad Ghosh. Next one. The famous book Gulamgiri was written by. Options: B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, M.P. Pillai, Narayan Guru. Answer is option 2, Jyotiba Phule. Last one. Curzon Willie, who have murdered by Madan Lal Dhingra in London, was. Options: Governor of Bengal, Advisor to the Secretary of State of India, Law Member, Secretary of State for India. Right answer is option 2. He was the advisor to the Secretary of State of India.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.